Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Panel View in Google Chrome. Most users are not aware that Chrome offers a side panel view that gives you faster access to features such as bookmarks, your reading list, and search history. To turn on the side panel in Chrome, click on the square-shaped icon with the black strip on the Chrome bar. Notice that with this panel on, you are not taken to a separate page. Instead, you can view your bookmarks, reading list, and history on the same page you are browsing on. To access your bookmarks, click Bookmarks. To access your history, click History from the drop-down menu. To access your reading list, click on the drop-down menu at the top of the panel and select Reading List. To add new items to the list, navigate to any web page, right-click on the Internet tab, and select Add Tab to Reading List. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.